Welcome to Lubera and to our garden videos. My name is Markus Koboltim. I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders, and today I'm talking about resistant tomato varieties. In this case, a cherry tomato, a yellow cherry tomato, which is resistant against pests and diseases and which can be grown outside without any protection. Here in Switzerland, in the valley of the Rhine, in the midst of our apple trees, so that the humidity in the evenings and in the morning is very high and the infection of pests is very high, we are testing open field varieties which can be grown without any protection. And the best yellow cherry tomato is Sunviva. So it's a seed stable variety, no F1 variety, and it's just great. It's growing like crazy. You could produce perhaps 2-3 plants, 2-3 stems per plant, so to have a little bit more open plant and more flowers, and it's very productive, and the quality is just fine. So this is the only one yellow resistant variety of a cherry tomato you can grow outside, in my knowledge, in our test here in Switzerland. So Sunviva is also very good eating. It's sweet, but it's also very aromatic, and the how do you say, the skin is not too hard, so really a fine tomato. And as I've said, the only one yellow cherry tomato you can grow outside without any protection. Sunviva, open field tomato variety. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and now pick the flowers.